Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get gloom-resistant armor. Navigating the treacherous depths requires special protection to survive its debilitating effects. Gloom-resistant armor is your best defense, significantly reducing the health drain caused by the dark energy. This gear is absolutely crucial for any extended exploration, allowing you to delve deeper and uncover more secrets without constantly worrying about your health. Let's dive into how you can acquire this vital equipment. Your journey to obtain gloom-resistant armor begins with collecting POs. These ethereal, glowing blue spirits are unique to the depths and serve as the currency for this special gear. You'll find them scattered everywhere, often in groups, particularly around ancient structures and significant landmarks. Simply walk over them to gather them up. Remember, the more POs you collect, the faster you can acquire the complete set of armor, so keep an eye out for every single one. Once you have a good supply of POs, your next step is to locate the mysterious bargainer statues. These colossal, ancient figures are your only vendors for gloom-resistant armor. While there are multiple statues hidden throughout the expansive depths, the first one is usually encountered relatively early in your underground exploration. Activating light roots is a fantastic strategy, as their illumination often reveals the presence of these statues on your map, making them much easier to find. With your POs in hand and a bargainer statue located, you're ready to acquire your gloom-resistant armor. Simply interact with the statue to access its special inventory. Here, you can exchange your collected POs for individual pieces of the dark set, which includes the tunic of the depths, the trousers of the depths, and the hood of the depths. Each piece grants one level of gloom resistance, providing a total of 3 levels when wearing the complete set, offering maximum protection against the gloom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.